your father says, but I cannot allow you to sit beside me.
So what? This is a school. My parents also pay equal fee.
Shut up!
How dare you touch my bag, huh? What do you think of yourself? You even know who am I? I'm an upper class and you lower class kid. What do you think of yourself, huh? I'm letting you sit in the same class so you think you are a king. Now get out of here. And you are little friend, sit down there because this is not your country.
Bro, this is also my country. I live in this country.
Shut up!
Good morning.
Hey! Good height! Stay away!
What is happening? Do we live in a civilized society? Is this how we're representing our culture? And we call ourselves educated? You guys don't have anything known as emotions. Today, when everyone is moving towards development, innovation and improvement, you guys are still discriminating amongst yourselves? Seriously? Shame on you guys. You guys should know that we are living in a diverse country where every religion is given importance. Unity should be our strength and not our weakness. Children, always remember, united we stand and divided we fall. The British had taken advantage of this situation and they had divided our society into pieces and ruled our nation for 200 years. And now, even though we are free, we are still repeating the same mistake. We are dividing the society by discriminating each other with caste, religion and economic background. This way, we cannot be a role model for the world. Mahatma Gandhi and his principles should reside in our heart. We must find a solution to this problem. We need to unite ourselves and most importantly, we need to love each other and find our own strength.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry ma'am, we won't do this again. Irani, come here, we'll sit together. What is democracy? Voting rights? No.
Democracy is not just voting right.
Democracy means freedom from inequality. Democracy means making a society which is free from stereotype thoughts, which is free from prejudice. Equality is possible only when we defeat our ego. Equality is possible when we defeat all the negativity, and only then we can develop as a true nation. Rabindranath Tagore should always remain in our heart and inspiration.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear streams of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thoughts and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, lead my country away.